back to the channel. Today we're going to unbag a cool little item I got. I was cruising on the internet and I come across a site for vintage jerseys, pants, BMX, motocross, and others. So Jerry Mcgrath is my favorite rider ever. So I saw his 1-800-COLLECT, decided I'd order it. The company's Apace, and come to find out they were like in Budapest, Hungary. So I ordered this stuff. It was like $120. I used PayPal because, so the package came 2 weeks later, okay? No tracking number was provided. They don't answer emails. I emailed them several times. At one point I went into PayPal and emailed the guy directly and still heard nothing. I was getting ready to open a claim with PayPal, and then all of a sudden this showed up on my door. Okay, so you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. I just cut it open and take a look here. Size is large. Okay, looks pretty good. The jersey looks all right. It's kind of heavy. Let's get the pants out, and then I'll compare it to my O'Neill stuff. The pants. Now you can tell these aren't the best. No padding really in the back. Unzip it. Yeah, nothing. No padding at all. Cool looking though. Yeah, it's got 360 degrees. The Fox, the Red Riders, Honda 1-800-COLLECT. It's got all the races from '96. The streak, I like to call it. Pretty cool looking. Hang right there. Over there and get my O'Neill stuff. Okay, so here is my O'Neills. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, let me come back over here. You can see these are true motocross pants. They have padding for the knees, no padding there. Hip pads, built in, vents, no vents. They look a little short too, but let's take a look. Yeah. So you got a couple inches. You can tell that there's a couple inches difference in length too. So I think these were made for a small Chinese boy. I think I'm skinny. Okay, now let's look at the shirt. Okay, that's a large. This is what I ordered. And Here's the O'Neill, men's large. Okay, there's the sleeves. The sleeve's about 3 inches short. Okay. I mean, hell, if you just was gonna frame the shirt or something, it might be worth it. But, I don't know. And it looks more like it would just be a regular large shirt to wear, not something you could put anything under. Oh yeah. Yeah, no. More like a medium. I mean, granted, I have a t-shirt under it, but, you know, I could fit this large right over everything. So all said and done, right? I mean, this is still have room. This is the O'Neill. So, all said and done, my experience with Apace, not a good one, okay? I wouldn't purchase from them again, unless, like I said, I was just buying a vintage jersey to hang on a wall. And even then, I don't know, I mean, and as far as returns goes, it says you have 3 days to return it, but if they don't answer email, how are you ever going to return anything? So yeah, not many reviews online about them. Not many reviews on YouTube. I don't think there's any on YouTube at all. So, cool shirt. I'll probably just hang it up in the garage. You know, or just wear it out as a regular t-shirt type thing. Conversation starter. But yeah, definitely not worth the price that I paid for the set, which was $120, I believe, for the set. Thinking, you know, gonna be a decent motocross shit, but no. Okay, so I I did get an affiliate account while I was there. You want to take your chances and order something, or if you want to order something just for the wall and you don't care how long it takes to get to you, click the link below. But I give it about a 1.5 out of 5 stars for that review. The material is pretty decent, but other than that, you know, I'll show you up close if you can see the material. Woven, but there's nothing to it, you know. Probably made in China by some starving women and children. Cool though. All right, peace. Motor Hot 5790.